Samsung Galaxy A04 review, compelling at a glance with VoLTE. Although the smartphone market is flooded with entry-level and pocket-friendly options, the Galaxy A04 is a smartphone by Samsung that might catch your attention at a glance. The leading Korean manufacturer launched the middle-tier handset in May 2023 with specs like 4G connectivity, a dual-camera setup, an HD Plus display, and a 5000 mAh battery. And leading the show under the hood is a Helio G35 chipset. But what makes it stand as a compelling budget option for you? Let's delve into the details and acquaint you with all that exists around the Samsung Galaxy A04. This phone has a basic MediaTek Helio P35 chip from 2018. The P35 is fine for everyday things like using social media, doing multiple tasks, and playing simple games. But the only downside is that it's not super fast. If you're into playing games on this phone, it would be better to go with less demanding games like Subway Surfers, Candy Crush, Temple Run, and other similar ones, because it takes a lot longer for the graphics to show up on heavy games like PUBG. The device has a 6.5-inch PLS LCD screen with a regular 60Hz refresh rate, giving a warm display tone. Moreover, augmenting it are the 164.7 into 76.7 into 9.1mm dimensions and 720 into 1600 pixels resolution. Besides these technical details, watching videos on YouTube is enjoyable, and the highest resolution offered with it is 1080p. Speaking of its design, the phone is made of plastic. On the front, there's a small notch at the top, which is common for budget phones nowadays. However, it doesn't feel too big or heavy while weighing 192 grams. The cameras on the back stick out a bit, but what feels a bit uneven is the headphone jack placed at the bottom left side, which might be a bit awkward when playing games. This phone works really well with the 4G network and Nepal Telecom's VoLTE, which marks exclusivity in this cheap phone. VoLTE makes the sound quality better by using the 4G network for both calls and data at the same time. So the phone calls sound clear and loud. Additionally, you can even do carrier video calling without needing to turn on mobile data.